Hey guys, Rick from Los Angeles. It's June 25th at 12:44 on Thursday, the year 2020. Do you think those clouds look unusual? It looks like somebody went by and sprayed those clouds. Isn't that something? Wow. Who would want to spray clouds? Maybe Bill Gates. What do you think, folks? I'm looking west. Look at that. Nice even rows. Wow. Can you believe that? Okay, that's south and that's east. And there's a fresh trail right there. Okay? So let's go back to looking west. And they're just rolling in like waves in the ocean. Come here, Bentley. My dog's pulling me all over the place. Right there. Bentley. But there you go, folks. That's north. And I'm out. Look at that.